If your website visitors are leaving with unanswered questions, abandoned carts, and no way to reach your team fast enough, you're losing leads and sales every day. So in this Tidio review, I'll show you exactly what Tidio does, the best features, pricing, pros and cons, and whether it is actually worth paying for in 2026. By the end of this video, you'll know if it is the right chatbot for your e-commerce, lead generation, customer support, or service business. Here's the quick answer. For beginners, small businesses, Shopify stores, and service websites, Tidio is one of the easiest AI chatbot tools to set up without coding. But there are a few limitations that you need to know about. Here's a quick example of what Tidio actually does. For example, let's say someone were to go on the Shopify store, tap on the live chatbot, and from there they were to ask a few questions. For example, how long does one soap last? Then they'll tap on send. After they have done that, they'll be prompted to enter their email, and you can tap on send right there. After you have done that, you're going to give it a few seconds, and you can see the AI chatbot is answering the question. And you can ask it numerous questions, and you can do this on different platforms. For example, you can do this on Facebook Messenger, you can also do this on WhatsApp, you can also do this via email. There are numerous options that you can integrate Tidio with. At its core, Tidio combines AI chatbot automation, live chat, FAQ support, and also lead capture, abandoned cart recovery, human handoff. So instead of hiring a full-time support rep, your chatbot can instantly answer repetitive questions 24/7. Now let's talk about the different features you'll be getting when you sign up to Tidio. The first feature is Lyro AI, and this is one of the biggest reasons most people buy Tidio. And by the way, this is how your dashboard will look once you're signed up. If we were to go over to the left-hand menu option and tap on Lyro AI, from here Lyro can answer open-ended customer questions using your FAQ pages, product pages, and help center. So you'll tap on data sources, and automatically it will scrape your website so you can see the website right there. You can also add different knowledge bases. So for example, I added a PDF, and with this PDF it will be able to answer questions whenever a customer asks. For example, if I were to go back, tap on the chatbot, and let's say for example, is this soap good for eczema? And you can see quickly Lyra was able to answer it. Now let's talk about the different features you'll be getting with Tidio. One of the biggest features is Lyra AI. For example, if we were to go onto our dashboard, and by the way, this is how your Tidio dashboard will look. When you go over to the left-hand menu option, you will tap on Lyro AI. From there, you can tap on data sources, and the data sources can be your website, PDF, or CSV file. So once you have uploaded your website, it will automatically scrape the FAQ pages, product pages, and help center. So it will be able to answer open-ended questions. You can also upload a PDF knowledge base. So for example, if someone were to go onto my website and ask, is this soap good for eczema? Lyra will automatically answer the question. And if they were to ask, for example, how long does shipping take? The AI will also be able to automatically answer the question. So this makes it perfect for your store, as you'll be able to answer open-ended questions 24/7. Another standout feature when it comes onto Tidio is their drag and drop flow builder. You can go over to the left-hand menu option, select flows, and from here you have different options. You have sales flows, as you can see right there. For example, you can create an upsell chatbot. You have product recommendations, spinning wheel option that you can also add. You can also use their lead flows, support flows. You have different flows that you can quickly add on. By simply tapping on learn more, you'll be able to do that. You can build welcome messages, discount pop-ups, lead capture flows, support ticket routing, and also post-purchase offers without touching code. Another thing is the lead generation and discounts. This is where Tidio becomes a sales tool. You can trigger, for example, 10% off on your first sale. This will allow you to capture the email and recover the visitor before they leave. If you want to test the exact setup I'm showing, I left my Tidio free link below. Shopify and e-commerce automations. For e-commerce stores, this is one of the strongest use cases. Tidio can help with abandoned carts, order tracking, shipping questions, product recommendations, and also coupon offers. For instance, let's say we were to scroll down and we were to select this option, last items in stock. You can tap right there and you can see how the flow will look, and you could also choose to test it out if you want. Now let's talk about the pricing when it comes onto Tidio. With Tidio, it typically starts off, as you can see right here, if we were to go onto their monthly plan, it will start off at $29 per month. And by the way, you also get a 7-day free trial period, and it can go up to $749 per month depending on the amount of features that you want and also the amount of departments that you have. So the pricing starts beginner friendly, which is why Tidio is popular with smaller businesses. The starter and growth plans are usually enough for small e-commerce brands, service websites, agencies, and local businesses. But once your traffic grows, pricing can rise fast depending on your AI conversations and also advanced automation needs. Now let's talk about the pros and cons when it comes onto using Tidio. First, starting with the pros. Beginner friendly, fast setup, no coding, strong AI FAQ support, and great Shopify integration. In addition, strong lead capture features, live chat handoff, and beautiful UI. But there are a few pullbacks. First, the AI can give generic replies without proper training. Pricing rises with scale, and advanced teams may need deeper analytics, and some workflows need workarounds. Now, who should buy Tidio? Tidio is worth it if you are a Shopify store owner, local business, SaaS startup, agency, service business, or blogger building leads. If you need fast support plus lead capture without coding, it's a strong choice. Now, who should skip Tidio? If you need highly custom enterprise workflows, deep reporting, or very advanced ticketing systems, you may outgrow Tidio quickly. So, in conclusion, is Tidio worth it? For most beginners and small businesses, yes, absolutely. The biggest reason is speed. You can launch a working AI chatbot, chat system, and lead capture flow in under an hour. If that sounds like what your website needs, I have left the free Tidio trial link below so you can test it risk-free. Thanks for watching.